Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn back on a Tuesday to bring you another tongue twister. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an American English teacher who's been living out here in Brazil for the past almost 12 years now, teaching English as a foreign language. My goal here is to help English speakers, English learners, even natives of the language to be better communicators. And every Tuesday, I bring you a new tongue twister. In today's tongue twister, I was asked to try to do some tongue twisters that practice with the S sound, SH sound. So this one is made by request, okay? So let me share with you what the tongue twister is, and then we will try to do it a number of times. And each time, try to go a little faster. Why? Well, as I've said before in other videos, I like to use tongue twisters as a way to practice your English pronunciation, articulation, your diction. It's a series of words that have very similar sounds, grouped together. And the idea is to try to do it as fast as you can. And this way, it helps you to enunciate and articulate the words correctly. All right. So this is what I do every Tuesday to give you guys some tips, some tools, things that you can use to be better communicators. Okay. So today's tongue twister goes, Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Did you catch that? Well, let's try it slowly first. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Okay. Now let's do it again, a little quicker. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Okay. Now let's try to go super fast. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. That's hard. Let's see if I can do it a little faster. Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. Woo! Woo! I didn't think I was going to get that one, because it seems easy, right? It seems easy when you go slow. But when you try to speed it up, when you try to go as fast as you can, that's where the difficulties come, okay? So I hope you liked it. I encourage you to give it a shot, right? Try it. If you follow me on Instagram, I recommend you record it publicly, put it on your stories and tag me. And if you do, I will share your story, okay? It's really good. It challenges us to be the best that we can be. Well, guys, Tongue Twister Tuesday is done for today, but I promise to see you again next week, all right? If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you press that subscribe button. And if you do, hit that notification bell because every Tuesday I post a new tongue twister. All right, guys? All right, that's great. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later.
Yeah, baby, yeah.